What is up, guys? Dallas here. We are back with another YouTube video today. Today we are going to be giving some love to the Haoqi Squirrel in Tiffany Blue. It is Haoqi's cruiser bike, and it's an awesome bike. Got this bike for my wife and she absolutely loves it. Yeah, it's just a cruiser bike, so made for cruising the streets, the roads, parks. Yeah, I mean, it does have a 20x4 fat tire on this guy, but honestly it's not made for rough terrain because those tires can get easily punctured, and that's no fun, especially if you're 10 miles away from your vehicle. That is not fun to push a flat tire on a bike, especially a bike that weighs about 60 pounds. We've had this bike for quite some time now. My wife absolutely loves it, and I actually love it too. It's actually pretty smooth when you ride it. I'm 5'10", 175. And my wife is 5 foot, 105, and it fits us perfectly. It has enough power for myself and a lot of power for my wife. And just look at that color, Tiffany blue, honestly, on that color with the tan walls on those tires, it's sick. So let's go dive in more about it and show you guys what the Haoqi Squirrel in Tiffany blue looks up close. Man, look at that. I mean, honestly, the Tiffany blue with the tan walls on the tires, it really just makes a compliment on this bike in a whole. As you can see too, it is a folding e-bike. So pretty awesome that you can fold this guy. It is longer than most cruiser bikes, I must say, but I'm fairly impressed with the weight. I think it is 60 pounds. So it does sound heavy, but honestly, you can fold the bike and eject the battery when you fold it, so it'll make the bike maybe about 10 pounds lighter, give or take. But honestly, this bike is pretty awesome. We love it a lot. It feels honestly amazing. You have this awesome rack in the back too, so you can tie whatever you think you can tie or need to tie to. We have the seat set to its lowest position right now. The tires, I mean, we love the tires. It is really grippy, as you can see, all these little knobbies. But I will say, I don't trust any of these fat tire e-bikes on like rough terrain that have kind of sharp edges, especially with like thorns. Thorns are a big no-no. This tire seems a lot more aggressive than others. So I could try it, but again, I hate changing tubes and it's never fun. We do have a light up front. And again, with these lights, you can always adjust accordingly to where you want the light to be aiming to. Yeah, the handlebar does fold down as well when you do fold your bike. I believe it drops down like a 90 degrees or 180, straight flat, I believe. What's awesome too is this bike does have a gear system. It's rocking the Shimano gears, and I believe it is 7 gears as well. So pretty awesome. It does have a nice little bell to it. I don't want to ring it because my pups, but it's honestly, we like it a lot. The throttle system is a half throttle, so that's not bad at all. I do like the bikes that have the thumb throttle, especially on these cruiser bikes, because it makes it, half throttle is kind of like you're twisting half and you're not twisting half, so definitely gets time or takes time to get used to. But the thumb throttle on these cruiser bikes are honestly a game changer. But yeah, I mean, we love it a lot. Again, this bike kind of looks different on camera than it does in person. I've never actually seen this bike around at all, so I'm very lucky to have this guy here in my garage. So definitely lucky to have this bike in my garage. As you can see, we are rocking a rear hub motor. It is a 500 watt motor, and then I think it packs a punch a 48 volt battery. So not bad at all, especially for a cruiser bike. It's definitely the way to go. We've seen that screen earlier. We're gonna go ahead and turn this guy on. So there's 3 buttons on the bottom that kind of hide it from you, if you can see that right here. So you have a power button, then you have your plus and minus, and then you also have this foot, which is a walking mode. And walking mode is more like a running mode, to be honest, in these e-bikes. As you can see, we have our battery fully charged. We have a 1, or I guess our PAS is at 1. It goes up to 5 levels. And that's pretty much it. The screen, an LCD screen, is pretty basic, but not terrible at all. I love the quality on this LCD screen. I like that the background is black. Honestly, looks really good. And then if you don't see a light button, the way to turn these lights on, especially on this bike with such a basic LCD screen setup, you're gonna want to hold the plus button. And then right there, our front headlight is on. Super sick. All right, we're gonna go ahead and jump on this bike. I myself, like I said previously, I am 5'10", 175 pounds. We have the bike right in front of us. We have our seat at its lowest position. That was for my wife. And honestly, I think it's really comfortable as well too. You can adjust the stem of the handlebar to raise it higher, but I think I have it at the second notch. So this is perfect for me. Yeah, this is what I look like. We have pretty much, there's no front suspension. There's no rear suspension at all. It's usually just in the seat itself, but this is what I look like on the bike. I think it's really comfortable compared to, you know, other cruiser bikes. I think it's probably because of the frame of the bike, because it is longer so my arms can reach out more. I think that's probably what makes it more comfortable than others. But as you can see, this bike does have a lot of power. That was just only on level 1 for PAS. We can go 5. Oh, crap. So that is, the torque is, you know, it's there. I don't know the actual Newton meter of this bike because it doesn't say it online. But the top speed for this Haoqi Squirrel goes up to 28 miles an hour. So pretty awesome. I do like that. Some bikes, cruiser bikes, they only go up to like 20 miles an hour. So, so lots of torque, there's lots of torque in this guy. So, I don't know if it's made for doing wheelies. If you feel comfortable doing wheelies on cruiser bikes, then go ahead. But for me, I'm still learning how to do them. So, but I mean, it's awesome to see from your guys' point of view what it looks like. So, I mean, that's pretty comfortable, not gonna lie. Its weight capacity for this bike is 350 pounds. So you can fit 2 of me on here and ride this bike very comfortably. Oh, shit. Look at that. I mean, there's lots of power in this bike, and you wouldn't even think that, to be honest. Whoa. If you guys like this bike, I will leave the link down below in the description. Yeah. I also will leave another link down below in the description to a link to all my favorite e-bikes, e-motos. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, just let me know. I'm happy to help. You know, pretty much just help you pick the right bike. Yeah, we have a lot of, we have lots of cruisers, mountain bikes and dirt bikes. Honestly, I'm really just trying to find the right bike that I like and love. And the right bike for my wife as well. We are 2 different, like totally different people in size and weight. So it definitely helps kind of nitpick on what bike is the perfect bike. So now that we have my son, in the next few years, I'll be looking for a bike for my son as well. I'm just trying to see what is the perfect bike for him, of course, and definitely safety comes first. But I'll show you this headlight real quick. There you go. And I'll show you the walking mode really quick as well too. Because you're gonna look at it, you're gonna be like, whoa, that's pretty fast. And I'm gonna walk regular and I'll show you what this looks like. Look at that. Oh, shh. It's pretty quick. And just to shut it off and kill it, you just tap the brake, any brake, front or rear, and it'll shut off completely. Let's try that one more time. I'm gonna press the walking button. Oh, shh. And then you just tap it, it'll just kill it, just like a cruise control. So yeah, pretty awesome. This is the Haoqi Squirrel in Tiffany blue. There were other colors, but this color just popped and it was a head turner, so I had to get this guy. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. I'm really happy to help you guys. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later.